I went out to Cottonwood Creek today. It's in Arapahoe County, Colorado. I've been there before just once and had very good luck at just one spot. So I wanted to work the stream a little bit. I also wanted to test a theory. I took a 2-cup measuring cup and weighed it with a kitchen scale. The thought was, hey, maybe if it weighs more than a cup of useless blonde sand, then it means that I'm onto the gold. So did it work?
All right, first sample came from these fake flood control rocks. These were put here by the county. But if you dig in there, there's some actually pretty good gravel. Actually, you can get down to clay under the first couple layers of rocks. That's what I did. 495 grams. All right, so here's the results of the first pan from the 500 gram spot. Pretty good little flake, but only one of them that I could see. Still, it proves that there's gold in there, and there's pretty big gold. So for the second experiment, I actually dug for more from the bank. So we've got spots here up in the bank we've got little pockets. This section of stream, if you look at it, it's like a bowling alley. So there's some force coming through here. You can see how the willows are kind of bent over like that. So even though the material's brown, it actually weighs 526 grams. So about the same, but a little bit more than the last one. So let's paint it out. Okay, so the slightly heavier pan with bank material, I got 3 micros out of there. All right, so the third and final spot is at a more gentle part of the stream. There still are some rocks, a little bit of flow. I actually worked this little corner here, which is not an intrinsically bad place to look. There's some rocks there, some sediments dropping out, but it's definitely sandier. And when you look at the scale, it's actually only 335 grams. So much lighter than the other two. So let's pan it out. Well, so much for the lightest material is the worst theory, because I panned out the lightest cup of material and got 4 flakes. So in some sense, that's the best pan. So anyway, I will note that this pan actually had more black sand than any of them. So maybe what I should be doing is actually weighing the amount of black sand per pan or something. Anyway, stuff we already kind of know. But anyway, it's in the name of junk science, and at least I found some gold, so you can look at some pretty gold.